How to send money from Revolut to XTB. Follow these instructions. Open the XTB platform, log into your account, and go to the Deposit Funds section from your dashboard or main menu. Select your preferred currency, like EUR, USD, or GBP, and choose your deposit method like bank transfer or Revolut wallet. If bank transfer is selected, copy XTB's bank details like IBAN, SWIFT code, bank name, and your unique XTB account number. Open Revolut and in Payments select Bank Recipient and choose the account to send funds from. Paste XTB's bank information, add correct amount, select matching currency, and include your client ID in the reference. Review all details like amount, recipient, and reference, then confirm the payment to initiate the fund transfer process. Wait for confirmation. Bank transfers take 1 to 3 days, but Revolut to wallet or card payments may be completed instantly. Thank you for watching.